I'm here with Batman outside having this in stereo mode so you can hear me on left and right side. So how are you, Batman?
I'm Batman.
Are you still fighting crime, sir?
Every night, except when I'm out here during the day with you.
Dang, I'm stopping him from fighting crime. This is a disaster. Hello, this is Eric of Not Bio Studio, and today I'm reviewing the Comica Traxshot Pro. This is an upgrade of the original Traxshot with better specifications, making this more a professional product, hence the name Pro. Now let's see what's inside the box. Inside the packaging, we have this large box. Let's see what's inside. And here we have two little fur muffs that go over speakers to block wind noise. Here we have silica, the all-important silica, and it says throw away, so let's do that right now. Inside we also have a user manual for this device, really nice to have, and a little Comica card. So let's toss that aside. And here we have our microphone. It seems that these two are made of metal. Nice. Plastic construction otherwise, I think. Or is it? Oh no, it's metal. That is quite nice. These little shock mounts. So this makes it so we can actually wiggle this around without getting reverberation of sound through our device. And here's our little volume knob and our switches back here. So we're going to check that out momentarily. We have an out. That's out to camera, USB. And here we have headphone out, which is great to have that option because it gives us more possibilities, including monitoring our audio if we choose to do so. A nice little mount that allows us to connect, say, to a tripod or other mounting device, not just simply a camera hot shoe or cold shoe for mounting. Here are our cables. Let's start with this. This is a Type A USB to Type C. Upon closer inspection of this USB Type A, we see something is down below. It's a Type C. So this should allow us to connect to our PC, Android Type C mobile phone, and if you want to connect to an Apple system, there is no Apple type cable connected. So you have to get an Apple OTG cable or an Apple on the go specific cable. Here we have a TRRS cable, and it says to smartphone and some cameras. This is a regular stereo cable known as TRS. So normally this might be to your device and you might want to use this to camera or vice versa. Before we connect this microphone, here it is connected to the PC, power, and this should mean I should be able to record this to PC using this cable as it did make a sound, and this is not the included cable, which allows possibility of connecting with whatever cable we want.
I want you to tell all your friends about me.
What are you?
I'm Batman. Yeah. That's right. Run away. Be intimidated by my voice.
Right now we're looking at our camera functions. I'm going to turn the volume knob and that's going to turn the volume up. And if I turn it the other way, it's going to turn the volume down, and we're at the lowest volume. And let's turn that back up a bit. So we are at a reasonable volume level. And we can see our waveforms right here, left and right speaker. And if I press the button, it's going to brighten the screen. And if I touch it again, our low cut's going to turn on to 75 Hertz. And then if I press again, it's going to go to 150 Hertz. And if I press it once again, it should be off. I look like a minus sign here. I can't see the screen because it's too small on my display of my camera. Now, if I press the button here, what it does is change our audio type of setting. Right now we are on PM, and that is basically mono. And if I press again, we should be... Yes, that is now stereo. But since I have the speakers together, it's not going to really work in stereo because it's both facing me. Now, if I press the button yet again, right now we are in automatic mode. And as I pull these apart, we'll see on the screen it pulls apart. Now, one thing we have to be mindful is sometimes it just doesn't work properly. but sometimes it won't separate on the display and it will be still mono. So if I get that to happen. And now it's staying stereo even though we're together. See? See, it's together again? And it's still separated on the display. And with the furry things, it can be a little bit more difficult. There we go. So to separate right to exactly even. So let's go to Batman.
I'm Batman, and I've got a secret weapon. Throw away. Okay.
What is this doing here? I gotta throw that away. This is a mic test for the plosive party. This is a mic test. It's gonna get hardy. This is a mic test for the plosive party. It's time to party with the plosive party. Now let's take these off. This is a mic test for the plosive party. This is a mic test for the plosive party. It's time to get hardy, 'cause we're gonna party. This is the plosive party, and it's gonna get crazy. Firm off on versus firm off off. Mic test 1, 2, 3. 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 Right now you're listening to this microphone set up as a shotgun microphone. I purposely have it showing in the scene, but I am literally about 1.5 feet away from this microphone. And how am I coming through? So if I wanted to, I could hide this completely from the scene. I can't see it on my camera, and it literally is 2 feet away, right up there, as I just tapped it. So let's go to Batman.
This is why I'm called the Dark Knight, because we wait till it's nighttime. I mean, I am wearing black, because emphasize the night.
Now, if we didn't notice, the volume level may be kind of different between me and Batman. Now, one thing this has is stereo audio, which means I can edit the left channel or the right channel to make us even volumes in post-edit.
Do it, or I'll come out there and I'll find you criminals, because I am Batman.
Do it now. It is now time to test SPL. That is sound pressure level. And sound pressure level, when exceeded, which the level is 130 dB, what happens is it sounds like the audio is clipping, even though it's not. It's just distortions of the microphone. How am I coming through this loud? How am I coming through this loud? How am I coming through this loud? This microphone passed our SPL test, that is sound pressure level test, with flying colors, so I approve. Test, mic test, mic test, mic test, mic test, mic test, mic test from down below, mic test from up above, mic test, 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 mic test. And how was that for our noise rejection test? Now, if I were to go like this and split it apart, I bet that's picking up a lot less than like that. Now, isn't it? So let's go to Batman.
Do you hear that? That laugh is so stop it. It's like nails on the chalkboard when you hear the Joker laughing.
Do you really know where I am? Batman?
I know exactly where you are.
Where am I?
You're right underneath me. I hear you, Joker. And I do not like that laugh or that voice of yours. Oh. I knew he was behind me. He did not get the drop on me. I could hear him. You did not get the drop on me, Joker.
So let's do a quick little song. Nothing professional by any means, but just something to see. Does this work? And I don't know what to say, but it seems alright even though it stings. But to me that is okay. To me that is okay. Right now, we're doing a first-time test to PC. How is audio coming through and how clean is it? I'm actually not even using the included audio cable, but this one should work fine and dandy. There should be absolutely no problems. So right now, I'm doing a first time test to PC. Right now I'm recording with my mobile phone. This is the Xiaomi 12X, and this particular camera has very hissy audio, so I use Open Camera, and that's a free app on the Android or Google Store. And you can also use the Shure Motive Video app as well, or you can use your direct camera on your phone because it works just fine. It automatically detects this microphone. I'm using the included USB cable that comes with this microphone system without a problem. Now, if you have an iPhone, you want to use an OTG cable or on-the-go cable that is proper Apple certified to make sure you got proper audio. You tell me if I'm coming through on stereo, or I'll simply find out myself on playback. Yeah. I'm going to use a fan to simulate some wind, and then I'm going to use the low cut to show what happens with these firm offs on, just to show the difference in sound with no low cut as we have right now, and change to my low cut to 75 Hz and to 150 Hz. Now the question is, what does Batman think of this microphone system? Now to you, Batman.
I'm Batman.
Okay. Well, when it comes to this microphone system, I like it. It's very natural tone. 22 hours of battery life is going to get you through a day of recording easily. Now, this turns on automatically with your camera and turns off automatically with your camera unless you do not have microphone power on your camera or audio recording device. You can turn it on and off with the power button at the back, so that's a bonus. Don't forget to subscribe to Spark E Studio, previously not Bio Studio. Help this channel grow. And if you're subscribing right now or already are subscribed, then yes, you are awesome. Until next time, thanks for watching and have yourselves a most wonderful day.